Hello, everyone. Today we will focus on autumn and what is common for autumn. Will you look at autumn with us? Leaves. Leaves are starting to fall down from the trees. Pear. A pear is a fruit and grows on a tree. Corn. Corn is a vegetable and grows in the field. Apple. An apple is a fruit and grows on a tree. Pumpkin. A pumpkin is hollowed out in autumn and made into a spooky lantern. A basket full of autumn fruits. Pears, apples, corn, pumpkin, acorn. The acorn is the nut of the oaks. Chestnut. A chestnut grows on a horse chestnut. This is a boletus. Boletus grows mainly in the forest. This is a toadstool. Toadstool also grows in the forest. Kite. In autumn, we fly a kite. In autumn, it rains a lot and there are puddles. And that is why we often use an umbrella and rubber boots with which we can jump in puddles. If we forget our umbrella, we need a raincoat. In autumn, it starts to get cold. We start to put on a sweater, put a hat on our head, and a warm scarf around our neck. At home, we light a candle or put a candle in a lantern and it shines beautifully. Did you like the presentation of images associated with autumn? I hope so, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.